Today, I want to share a life-changing lesson, a powerful story that proves your circumstances will never define your destiny. Nick pointed out that so many of us wear a mask, pretending everything is fine while quietly fearing we are not enough. You cannot change every hardship you are born into, but you always possess the power to choose how you respond. He reminded us, progress doesn't demand impossible leaps. It simply asks you to take one single step at a time. You will fall along the way, but hitting the ground is never the end of your story. If you fall 100 times and try again 100 times, as long as you keep trying, hope remains alive. The journey is never over until you decide to give up. The only real defeat is quitting on yourself. When you find the courage to stand back up, your strength becomes the permission someone else needs to heal. It doesn't matter how hard you were knocked down, what matters is that you finish strong. Never, ever give up. Claim your strength, rise with purpose, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful stories.